Si Ate Eloisa po is going around the country demonstrating a cookware that boasts healthy cooking. Parang mga fried chicken na walang mantika. Well, I challenge them to come up with a healthy menu para sa buong pamilya, especially po kina Lolo at Lola. Hello! Hi! Eloisa?
Yeah, I'm Eloisa. How are you, Ron?
Kumusta? Mabuti, mabuti.
Oh, mabuti naman. Ito si Mamu, siyang...
Mami, kumusta po kayo?
Mabuti lang.
Umuulan sa labas, malamig pa. Babago-bago pa noon. Sino naman itong ating guest?
Oh, by the way, si Den, siya ang aking magiging assistant ngayon sa ating cooking.
Kumusta po kayo, Mami Dance? Can I call you Mami o Ate?
Ate.
Are you ready to cook?
Oh, yes, Ron.
Where's the kitchen? Okay. All right, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Sige po.
Okay.
Mga kapamilya, we'll get right to cooking sa pagbabalik po ng Live Pinoy Style. Huwag kayong alis. Pamilya, alam naman natin na in the fast food society, mahirap talaga to maintain or at least try to eat healthy. Kaya naman, our guest today, si Ate Eloisa, will be demonstrating a few dishes na mayaman sa nutrients. Tama ba yun?
Ay, oo. Alam mo naman ngayon, kailangan talaga well-maintained tayo kasi I think you'll agree with me that health is wealth.
Definitely. Kaya naman, alam mo, tamang-tama yan, importante lalo yan sa mga kababayan natin na nagkakaedad na.
Ay,
diba?
huwag mo sasabihin nagkakaedad, yung bumabata.
Bumabata. Sa totoo lang po, alam niyo naman siguro na Mary Maid is one of our loyal sponsors. Pero, honestly, hindi ko pa ito nakikita. Hindi ko pa nakikita how your cookery works. So, sabay-sabay natin tignan kung talagang masarap and if it's functional.
Oh,
Tama
yes.
ba? So, where do we start?
Meron tayong recipe tinatawag na chicken marengo. Actually, this is a recipe during the time of Napoleon Bonaparte.
So, alam mo yung istorya?
Ay, hindi, pero hindi naman ako ganun kasantanda.
Yung Marengo po is a city, a place in Italy, and Napoleon Bonaparte, yes. Sige, sige nga, sabihin mo.
And then, well, actually, hindi ko kilala si Napoleon Bonaparte.
Si Napoleon Bonaparte.
Anyway, talagang na-adapt natin yung recipe na yon and it's really very healthy. Kasi saan ka nakakita ng recipe na magigisa ka ng walang gagamitin na oil. So,
Teka muna, can we post these recipes on our website?
Sure.
Sige, mag-enjoy na lang kayo mga kapamilya. You can easily log to www.livepinoystyle.com and then you can download all the recipes katulad po nito. Let's go.
Okay. Ibababad lang natin itong manok sa toyo. Okay.
Pang ilang tao ba itong ating recipe, Ate Eloisa?
This can fit mga 10 pwedeng kumain sa lulutuin natin ngayon.
Ilang manok ba to? Are these all?
One whole chicken, chopped into a serving size.
Okay.
We have to put a dash of salt, dash of pepper. At actually, alam mo, napakasarap nito, lalo na kung imamarinate ninyo ito overnight.
Yung original recipe daw nito is may cognac. Is that true?
Yes, you have to have a dash or, you know, just, it's up to you kung kailangan gusto man 2 tablespoons of cognac or any brandy. Or sometimes yung ibang white wine na lang nilalagay. Para medyo makatabi.
That will work too. And if you are really counting calories and itong ating team sa show ngayon is cooking healthy, I think, can we use a low sodium soy sauce?
Oh yeah, you can use low sodium soy sauce.
Okay.
And then we have, magigisa tayo mamaya ng bawang, ng walang mantika. Of course, we have the onions, the carrots, the green and red pepper, 1 can of tomato sauce. Lahat yan, ang maganda dito, sabay-sabay natin pagsasama-samahin yan. And we're gonna cook this within 25 to 30 minutes only. So, nakakatipid tayo sa gas or electricity. So, ang ating magandang advantage sa Mary Maid cookware, you will save time and effort spent in the kitchen. You can preserve all the food values dahil wala tayong tubig o no water na gagamitin.
First time kong makakain yan at first time kong makikita kung talagang nagwo-work and functional yang Mary Maid cookware.
Yes, oo.
So what's the next dish?
Sabi ko sa'yo, gagawa tayo ng leche flan or custard. So, kuhanin muna natin yung ingredients natin dito.
Alright.
Okay? Now, of course, we have
Are we using the traditional ingredients for the leche flan, Ate Eloisa?
Yes, Okay. So we need 5 egg yolks.
Ooh, okay.
Okay. 5 tablespoons of white sugar.
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk. Just use 3/4 of the evaporated milk.
3/4 of the can.
3/4 of a can.
What are
Okay.
these?
This is
Ano
the
natin dito?
so-called porter caps. Okay, with the utility rack. Ito ang ating magiging pinaka-molder
Ng leche flan.
ng leche flan.
Okay.
So, individual serving ang mangyayari.
What else do you use this for other than the leche flan?
Well, you know, we have a certain recipe like, alam mo yung sweet potato, or even for siomai,
Siomai.
for poached eggs.
Poached eggs.
Maraming gamit ang utility rack and the porter caps.
So, any kind of molded dish.
Oh, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Oh,
Okay?
sige. Alright.
Alright.
The first dish is done. Chicken merengue. Leche flan comes second. Meron pa bang isa?
And of course, yung ating tinatawag na Hawaiian timbali.
So, ano mga ingredients natin? This is the third dish.
Okay, so pwede bang pumunta
Of
ulit
course.
tayo sa ating refrigerator?
Okay.
At makuha natin yung ating mga ingredients. 3/4 pound of ground pork.
Chopped
Chopped
onions.
onions.
Napapansin ko, maliliit ang hiwa mo rito, ha?
Chopped green pepper and red. Chopped pineapple. Chopped carrots.
Okay.
Sweet willy pickles.
Okay.
Optional din yung
Raisins.
raisins. 2 eggs to be the binder. And then we can add the green peas. Kaya talagang tinawag na Hawaiian timbali ang gusto ko ipakita sa audience natin. This is included with a set. Okay, we call this double boiler.
Parang sombrero to eh. Okay. Okay, sige. Ano gagawin natin
Anyways,
yan?
Gagawin natin itong
Double
decorative
boiler.
double boiler.
I use double boiler when I bake
Yeah, for your-
chocolate cake
yes,
and
yes.
do pastries.
Okay. Now, actually, you can use 1 can of sliced pineapple. So, 4 yung laman nun. Yung isa, buo siya talaga. Then yung the rest, you have to slice it into 2 para maging decorative talaga.
So, alam ko na yan, para pag unmold mo, magandang tignan.
Oh, yes. Ano ko, yan ang unang-unang nauubos pag kami nagkakaroon ng cooking demonstration. Yung mga audience namin,
Talaga?
hindi umaalis nang hindi nagkakaroon ng Amerimaid cookware.
Alam mo, Ate Eloisa,
See?
oh. Tapos na yung ating chicken merengue. We have the
Yes.
leche flan ready. You have your third dish, which is the Hawaiian chicken timbale. Meron pang pang-apat, di ba?
Oh, yes.
We will be giving you the fourth dish right after this break, mga kapamilya. Huwag po kayong alis.